Hi everyone, I am helping my plants grow today. Watch the tiny rain. It's like a shower for my flowers. Drink up, green friends. Look, I have a magic sprayer. It makes sparkly dust for my leaves. I am a plant doctor today. All done, high five. My plants are thirsty. See the bubbles, they like it. Ending the day with a little mist therapy. Using a sprayer today to boost the humidity for my tropical plants. They love the extra moisture in the air. Look at the water droplets. They look like little diamonds on the plants. I am small, they are small, but we are growing together. If I give them a shower, maybe they will grow all the way to the sky. I think my plant is saying, "Thank you." I can hear it whispering, "Don't worry, planties. I won't let you get thirsty." It's a pool party for the butterflies. It's not raining outside, so I am making my own rain right here. Do you think the flowers like the cold water? I think it feels like a cold popsicle. Look, the water is sticking to the leaves like little sticky balls. I am checking the dirt. Yep, it needs more sparkles. Mist, give it a twist. Happy water, happy plants. Happy garden dance. Gardening is like magic. You put a tiny seed in the dirt, give it some water, and it turns into a giant flower. You should try gardening too, because it's like having a pet that stays in the dirt and never barks. It's really fun to get your hands a little messy. Dirt won't hurt. It's just garden glitter. I love my garden because it makes the world look like a beautiful coloring book. You have to be very gentle. Plants are like babies. You have to pat them softly. My favorite part of gardening is watching my plants wake up in the morning. If you talk to your plants, I think they grow faster. I like to tell mine stories. You don't need a big yard. You can even grow a friend in a little cup on your window. I am the official water boss of my house. Who is the boss of your garden? Thank you for watching me work today. Gardening makes my heart happy. Keep blooming, everyone. See you next time. Bye bye. I love my garden.